Let's begin to solve differential equation by using Matlab. First of all, we have to define differential parameters y prime and y double prime. For first-order differential equation, we only have y prime differential parameter. As you can see, equation 1 represent the function name. The equal sign beside represent the function name in workspace. While the double equal sign in the same equation represent the equal in the actual differential equation. This part of code used only to show the equation in the output window. The actual command to solve differential equation is called dsolve. Between the brackets of the dsolve command, we have to put the differential equation, then comma, the initial conditions. We must notice that differential equation and initial conditions must be put between quotations. Y will be the name of the solved equation. This equation contains no differential part. We can plot the y equation by using fplot command. Notice that 0 and 10 is the time interval. We can solve second-order differential equation with the same way. The only difference is the initial conditions will be 2 conditions instead of 1. The second part of this video will be focus on the convert the equation in time domain to Laplace domain. And convert the equation from S domain to the time domain. First we have to define the parameter of time domain function, which is obviously t. Then assign the time domain function to one parameter called v. Use the Laplace command to convert the function. For convert from S domain to t domain, we use Laplace command. Thank you for watching.